How to process an order. First step, go to the home page and sign into your account. Then click My Account. When in your dashboard, click on Outstanding Orders and it will provide a list of orders listed awaiting dispatch. To dispatch an order, enter the shipping tracking number into the shipping tracking field provided. Select the carrier from the drop-down menu, then click Dispatch to close the order off. Once this is done, it will send a confirmation to the buyer with shipping information. It will also place the order in the Order Repairs Direct Marketplace system, ready for payment from us to you via Hyperwallet. At any point, if you need to check on an order, you can go back to your dashboard and click on Order History to search for any specific order.